How to test for a magnetic field around a bar magnet. First thing first, what is a magnetic field? A magnetic field is a region in space where another magnet or a ferromagnetic material will experience a force of attraction or repulsion. Magnetic field consists of magnetic field lines, which are invisible 3D lines. So we cannot see the magnetic field around a magnet, but we can use iron filings to map out the magnetic field pattern around a bar magnet. The procedure that you can use is as follows. Place a magnet on a flat surface. Place an A4 paper on top of the magnet. Sprinkle iron filings on top of the paper until a pattern forms. Iron filings are magnetic, therefore they will be attracted to the magnetic field that is created by the bar magnet. Tap the paper lightly just to spread out the iron filings for you to observe the pattern that is forming. So to figure out whether the magnetic field lines are going into the pole or they're going out of the pole, we are going to use a compass to determine the direction of the magnetic field lines. The compass has an arrow inside of it. If the arrow points towards the pole, then the pole is a south pole and the magnetic field lines are going in. As you can observe, the arrow of the compass is pointing towards the pole. That means that pole is a south pole. If we move the compass to the other side and observe what is happening, the arrow is pointing away from the pole, showing us that it is a north pole and the magnetic field lines are going out. If we move the compass around the magnet, we can clearly see the magnetic field are moving from the north pole and they're going into the south pole. Whether you're going to do it down, you're going to see those magnetic field lines are actually coming all the way from the north pole and they're going all the way into the south pole. So this helps us to map out the direction of the magnetic field and we are able to draw it the way you're always drawing it on your book. They move from the north, the arrow goes into the south. So that is the picture that you're going to be drawing on your book. We can also deduce magnetic field lines properties based on this demonstration that we did. Can you remember them? Or are you able to deduce these magnetic field line properties? Well, they move from north to south pole. They're invisible 3D lines, hence we had to use iron filings to map them out. Magnetic field lines never